I can see now. Okay. Well, I look raggedy, but I just got home from work. Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Donna. And if you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so now. So today I'm just going to do a little unpackaging with you guys. I recently ordered from ColourPop. And I've been waiting for this for a while. So I'm going to go through them with you guys. And if you guys want to see how I use them, just stay tuned for my video tomorrow. Okay. So I'm not the neatest when it comes to opening packages. So we're just going to rip it open. I hate packaging like this. Whatever. Thank God I have a towel spread here because I would have been sick with this one on my bed. So, ColourPop is so cute. Like everything they do is just so cute. So I didn't order too much stuff. Makeup on point. They're cute. So I ordered the no filter concealers. Now, you gotta love it when your camera goes out of focus. So I ordered the no filter concealers, and I ordered medium dark 34 and deep dark 54, just to highlight and contour. To be honest, these were complete guesses. I just went based on what Makeup Shayla did, and I know Makeup Shayla is a couple of shades darker than me, so I figured if I went lighter. Okay, well, let's see. Alright, this is 54, which this seems light, and this is 34, which also seems light. I don't know if you guys can see. So I'm gonna swatch. So 54. Oh, maybe this isn't too bad. Okay. Maybe it's just a swindle. So this is 54. And this is 34. Well, the texture off the bat, oh, well, it's probably not that bad. The texture off the bat, it's creamy. I feel like I could get some coverage out of this, honey. I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad. And then I got the Ultra Glossy Lip. And what color was this? I honestly don't remember. Flying Horses. I thought this was so cute. And it's kind of out of my comfort zone. So I figured, why not? Let's just get it. A little cute pinky looking lip. So I got that. And then I got the I Love Sarai mixed finish lip collection. And I love her packaging. It's so cute. It's so Karen. And I feel like these colors are where I live. So this nude, it's called Curvy. A little bit of a curvy girl, so curvy. And I feel like this is a nice, like, baby pink. Can you guys see this? Ah, my swatches are terrible. So that's Curvy. This is 951. Does this one not have a name? Karen? What happened here? Okay, so this one is 951. I feel like I have this color. It kind of reminds me of the It's My Ray Ray Stingray color. Kind of like a blend between that and was it Veronica from Anastasia? And this one is Mamacita. Ooh, I feel like I'm gonna love this color. Oh yes, Mamacita is gonna be a vibe. feel that happening soon. So this was just a little quick unboxing for you. A quick unboxing for you guys. I plan on trying. There was glitter in something. There's glitter in Curvy. I'm okay guys, so I took a break just to go and make sure that this concealer wasn't too light. It's a tad bit light. So let me get kind of close for a second. So this is my Tarte Shape Tape, and then this is the ColourPop concealer. I feel like it's very similar in color. So I feel like when your camera just keeps unfocusing. I feel like it's very similar in color, so when I do apply it, that it should be fine. Because like my Shape Tape, I don't even use it to carve out my brows. I only use it under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, and my Cupid's bow. So I feel like I should be fine, but we'll see tomorrow. I mean, if you guys really want to see how these products look on me, just continue to watch and comment down below. Let me know what you guys want to see next. I love ColourPop stuff. I have Shayla's Perception palette, and I really need to finish my review on that. But yeah, so now I have new ColourPop babies. I don't know why I just dropped them, but I did. But yeah, and I heard that they have no filter foundation too. So I mean, I didn't get to try these yet, but I've heard really good things. But if the foundation is as good as these are, it'll be a vibe. I already know their liquid lipsticks are good, like just off the bat, because like I had Stingray was a vibe, it was a thing. But then I got very glossy. So what do I have on my lips right now? This is, what's this vibe? I can't remember the exact lip liner, but it's a drugstore lip liner. It's a plum kind of color lip liner with Unreal from Maybelline. The Vivid. I'll put everything in the description bar below. My highlight or semi-highlight, whatever you want to call it, is actually a palette from ColourPop. It's the Just Do It duo. That is this blush highlighter that I actually have it on my lids. I have it on my nose. I have it on my Cupid's bow and the side of my cheeks. I've been in like that bronzy kind of summery vibe. I feel like I look so blind right now, so I need to put my glasses back on. Yeah, because I'm just talking to you guys. So, actually the next video I'm going to be doing is going to be something a bit different. So I hope you guys are prepared for it. If you guys want to see me do more unboxing videos and things that are just like, I guess you could say more so entertaining, just let me know. But this was just a quick unboxing of things that I've just been waiting for ColourPop. So if you haven't already, please do subscribe, and I love you guys. Bye. Mwah.